So guys, I don't have money for a buy and I use my weird AirPods which cost around 50 cents and I started selling this. It's my first ads creative 2 years before on TikTok. So I started with selling these AirPods. It was a great day. Today I will explain how I start dropshipping with no money when I was 15 years old. I will show my blueprint and I will tell you how you can make money in dropshipping without no money. You can make a lot of money because I did and you can do also. So my friends, first step is your target audience or your target country. You need to select not competitive countries. There's many competitors in USA or Europe countries and you can also try to sell third world countries, not very rich and not very poor economic countries. And these three world countries don't have any competitors, serious competitors. So competitive is very low rate. After selecting your country, for example, I selected Georgia when I start country Georgia. So I publish video on Facebook and TikTok. I don't buy any product. I only find the product videos on TikTok and YouTube. I edit them and I publish them without buying or without recording videos myself. I only edit videos. I add voice narration, I add tags on videos, and I publish them Facebook and TikTok. First days you can't get any view, it's a normal, but post one video every day on Facebook and on TikTok. You can get traffic posting every day on video. And don't forget, you need to avoid shadow ban. You can get search on YouTube about shadow ban. After 1 and 2 weeks, you can get view if you're doing right things. Second step is your store. For example, when I start first dropshipping, I put my number on video and it's so effective. I create a WhatsApp, Telegram and Viber account, so I give my number to my viewers and I text them, you can order what you want from me. So I get my sales with this, but it's a not long-term solution. After getting first sales or 1-2 sales, you can create a store. Store it's not very important. Your videos creatives is important than your store. Or you can create a Facebook page and you can sell your products on Facebook and Messenger. I started this, I created a Facebook page and a TikTok organic page, so I post every day 1 and 2 videos. I find videos on YouTube, so I edit them with noise narration and with texts. Creatives are very important, so I put my number on screen. I told them you can message me on Messenger or you can message me on WhatsApp. So I told my viewers so you can order from me. So next step is getting paid. Brothers, you need to create a bank account. It is very important. You can't get paid without your bank account. So if you are 18-year-old or 17, 16 years old, you can tell your parents that they can create a bank account for you, and it's one solution. Is you can create a bank account, or you can get paid with crypto, but not everyone pays with crypto. Only 5%. Okay. After creating a bank account, you need to Stripe account or PayPal for getting paid. It's easy instructions, you can find them on YouTube. So now I want to show my first store. So guys, it was my first video and I started selling with earbuds. You can check the date 2 years before, and it's my first product and it's me. It's me. 2 years before, I started selling with AirPods. I started dropshipping with AirPods. So my friends, end of the day, you can start without money, you can make money, but it's good if you have investment for ads or product. I think learning is more important when you start on dropshipping, but not only dropshipping in every jobs. First, you need experience, you need to use your brain if you want to make more money with your job. Learn how you can make this better, how you can edit videos better, how you can shoot videos better, how publish them without avoiding shadow ban, and more. Learn first and do after. Thanks for watching. Ciao.